going to explain equations reducible to a pair of linear equation in two variables. Here we are discuss the equation which are not linear, but we can reduce to linear form by making some suitable substitutions. Let us take an example. Here the question is 2 by x plus 3 by y equal 30. Next one, 5 by x minus 4 by y equal minus 2. Let us write this equation as 2 into 1 by x plus 3 into 1 by y equal 13. This is equation number 1. And this is 5 into 1 by x minus 4 into 1 by y equal minus 2. This is equation number 2. Look at these two equations. These equations are not in linear form. The linear form is ax plus by plus c equals 0. So, we can take a small substitution. Instead of 1 by x, we can write p and 1 by y as q. Okay, then we can rewrite this equation. Instead of 1 by x, p and 1 by y, q. 2p plus 3q equal 13. We get a new equation number 3. And 5p plus, 5p minus 3q equal minus 2, equation number 4. Then these two equations are linear form. We already studied how to solve these two equations. The first method is substitution method. The second one is elimination method. And the third one is cross multiplication method. By using any one of this method, you can find the value of p and q. After solving this, you get the value of p equal 2 and q equal 3. Then our substitution is 1 by x equal p. 1 by x equal p implies 1 by x equal 2. The value of p is 2. Then mutually transpose this as here and this is here. That implies x equal 1 by 2. Again, 1 by y equal q implies 1 by y equal 3. So the y value is 1 by 3. This is the solution of this equation. The second example is 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equal 2 and 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 equal 1. It is not in the form of linear equation. So, here can write 5 into 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2. That means 1 into equal 2. Then 6 into 1 by x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 by y minus 2 equal 1. This is the first equation and it is the second equation. Here we can substitute instead of 1 by x minus 1 as p. Substitute 1 by x minus 1 as p and 1 by y minus 2 as q. Then substitute this value. You can write 5p plus q equal 2 and 6p minus 3q equal 1. New equation 3 and 4. By solving these two equations, you get the answer p equal 1 by 3 and q equal 1 by 3. By substituting this p value and q value in here, 1 by x minus 1 equal p. The p value is 1 by 3. By crossing this, x minus 1 equal 3 and x equal 4. Again, 1 by y minus 2 equal q. That is 1 by y minus 2 equal 1 by 3 and y minus 2 equal 3, y equal 5. This is the solution. X equal 4 and y equal 5. By substituting this x value and y value in any one of this equation, you can check your answer is correct or wrong. Consider this example. Here 7x minus 2y by xy equal 5 and 8x plus 7y by xy equal 15. So first of all, transpose this xy on right side. Here we can write 7x minus 2y equal 5xy, equation 1. 8x plus 7y equal 15xy, equation 2. It is not in the form of linear. So, dividing the xy on both the equations, equation 1 divided by xy implies 7 by y minus 2 by x equal 5. Here 7x by xy, xy cancel, the remaining 7 by y minus x 2 by x equal 5, third equation, and 8 by y plus 7 by x equal 15, fourth equation. Then we already done in the first example this type of questions, that is 1 by y equal p and 1 by x equal q. By substituting this, 7 p minus 2q equal 5 and 8p plus 7q equal 15. By solving these two equations, the value of p equal 2 and q equal 3. The value of p equal 2 and q equal 3. Again, by substituting this p value in here and q value in here, you get x equal 1 by 2 and y equal 1 by 3. Is it clear, all of you? Today's class is over. All of you clear this class? Do you like my class? Please like, subscribe and share my class. Thank you.